Hi vloggers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on notification bell so notified every time I post a video for you and only you on YouTube. And like this video, So basically, in today's video will be a follow-up vlog from our Pride Month week vlog that you saw. The huge vlog that I filmed for a week of Pride and stuff. It's currently July 1st, Monday at 2:33 in the morning. I'm still at my cousin's house. If you didn't know that from the prior vlog, I'm leaving tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog and whatever, and give you another huge haul. Another huge vlog. Alright, my vloggers, enjoy. I'm back at my house and whatever, and I just spent a night at my cousin's house yesterday, where everybody saw the first clips. I'm back home, and the pool is finally open. If you didn't know, I've been talking about how the pool's gonna open. It's supposed to open Memorial Day, but it opened today, the day before 4th of July. And I'm hoping you're enjoying the 4th of July ultimate vlog so far. And if you are, please subscribe and get a like and comment down. Positive comments. Bye. Hey vloggers, welcome back. Let's take two. Hi vloggers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not with that big red subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know every time I post a brand new video for you, on YouTube, and like this if you like the video. So today's video, I'm doing the wait. I already did the intro to this video. It's just a new day. Okay, take 3. Hi vloggers, I'm back. So we're still continuing the ultimate 4th of July vlog, and guess what day it is?
It's 4th of July. Yes!
So I'm about to get ready, do my hair or whatever. We're gonna have a firecracker fight, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this shirt and whatever, and I'm wearing this like behind it. I know it's gonna be hot outside, but I'd rather be hot than like shot it in my arm or whatever, because I got shot last year in my arm and it hurt like, so I put that on whatever. I don't really care if my legs get targeted, whatever, or my feet. I don't care because I'll be wearing shoes. I'm wearing my Nike Matt, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm gonna get ready real quick and whatever and do my hair and stuff. So enjoy. I'm dressed, I got my outfit on, so I got my food fight red, and I got my sweatpants on, and I'm having my Nike Max 97s. So I'm only changing my top when we do firecracker work or whatever, but now it's time for the accessories. So basically, today, we're going to get fireworks on today, which on the day of the 4th. The reason that we do that most years. I made all my cousins a 4th of July bracelet that was like personal to him. I made one for my cousin Anjali. It says ANG because that's her boyfriend that passed away not too long ago. A couple months ago, whatever. So I put that on there, and his favorite color is green, so I put it as green. I made myself one that has J and it's blue. I made my cousin, my bestie, I made her a bracelet too. I made her, her name is Araya, and this is what hers looks like. I made my aunt one. This is what hers looks like. That's my favorite, honestly. I made my other cousin, his name is Lazarian. And if you're wondering why it has 2 letters on it, we like to call him Tarzan because he looks just like Tarzan. I'm inserting pictures each time I go by, so y'all know what they look like. And then here's another one for me. And that's my Sweetheart Cherry perfume. You know, my hair. So, oh no, girl. Hope you like the transition. Oh, hope you like the current transition. Whatever. Did it for y'all from July. Whatever. My outfit. Hair was looking like, I didn't do that much to it. It looks kind of like poofed out and messy because we're doing a fireworks thing and my hair is gonna get messed up anyway. So I didn't do that much to it. So it kind of looks frizzy and big, whatever. I'll put these bracelets in my pocket so I can give them to her when I get there. I made one for my sister, but she's already going to get it, so yeah. But I hope you enjoy the vlog, and yeah, I'll see you later, whatever, when I film something else. I probably am on touch, so get ready, cause we outside. Cause we outside. Hi vloggers. See, I don't call them whores.
Vloggers.
Hi vloggers, I'm back. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and right up top is bringing a video for you and only you on YouTube. And like this video if you like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye vloggers.